What's up, guys? I was going to show you a quick little review of this thing. In my opinion, they're absolute junk. You could drink a bunch of tea and probably pee a bigger stream than what this thing will spray out. But you know, I'm not saying that they don't have their place. It's pretty handy. The little hose they got, you can put it in a bucket and pretty well draw water from anywhere. I'm a Jeeper, and a lot of times we go off, and it'd be real nice to be able to spray your windshield off, get the mud off of it, where you can see where you're going. You know, something like this you can carry with you, throw it in a little stream somewhere or another, and you know, wash the mud off your vehicle. So it'd be handy for that. But if you're buying one of these thinking you're going to pressure wash your car, you're better off just using a water hose. I mean, they're a little aggravating to use by the time you get them hooked up, and really there's just not a lot of benefit to them, in my opinion. I like Ryobi stuff. I've got several tools of theirs, and most of the time I like them pretty well. This thing here, you know, I mean, my opinion, it's a waste of money unless you want to take it with you somewhere and, you know, be able to draw water out of a stream. Would be the only real use I could think of for this tool. But anyway, it's just my opinion. Tell me what you think.